All right, the market taking all this news in stride today, perhaps because everyone on Wall Street is watching the hearings instead of trading. I'm joined right now by our own Connell McShane, who's on the floor at NYSE, and Kingsview Asset Management CIO Scott Martin. Connell, anyone actually trading down there?
Yeah, well, as you know, there's a lot of computers handle that these days, Trish. There is something to be said about the fact that there are a lot of televisions on the floor here, obviously, like anybody else in the country, I guess, that are paying attention to this hearing. Volume-wise, I think we looked at it earlier versus the one-month average. It's like about 10% below, so it's not like it's falling off a cliff by any means. But if you walk around the floor, which I did here, even just a few minutes ago, you'll hear the volumes turned up on the TVs, which you don't hear often. So people are definitely paying attention to it. You know, you see the Dow up 100-plus points. We're up 171 earlier. We're having a fairly normal day here, Trish.
Hey, Scott, do you think that this could have big ramifications for the Republican Party, for the president, and therefore our economy? Because let's not forget, lower taxes, less regulation, that has been a pretty good prescription thus far. Could the Judge Kavanaugh hearings and perhaps his lack of appointment, which creates a lot of discourse come midterms, actually hurt the president, Republicans, and our economy?
Yeah, I think you nailed it. It's the snowball effect, Trish. It's this, then leading into November, then a vote against the president's agenda, a blockade of his future policies, let's say, if the Democrats take Congress, and then, therefore, you've got a stalemate in D.C., and then you've got at least a country that maybe isn't so excited about the Trump policy agenda. And that really is what I think the market, to Connell's point, is able to trade on days like today and days like we've seen recently, where at least we're so comfortably in that, say, arena of knowing that the Trump agenda is moving forward, it's moving on, and therefore that's going to help support stocks here.
You know, the Trump agenda has been very good for the American economy in that lower taxes. It's not rocket science, right? You put more money in the hands of people, they feel better about themselves, they spend it, et cetera, and it has a positive effect overall. So here's what our own Chris Wallace is saying right now. He thinks this is really bad news for the Republicans. Let me play the tape on this.
This was extremely emotional, extremely raw, and extremely credible. And nobody could listen to her deliver those words and talk about the assault and the impact it had had on his life, on her life, and not have your heart go out to her. This is a disaster for the Republicans.
Scott Martin, is it?
Not yet. I mean, listen, it's a nomination. We're gathering the evidence. Yes, it would have been nice to know this stuff before and not have it played out in public court, as it were, and have it come down like this. And I agree with Chris. I mean, it's terrible to hear for anybody to have to go through this, let alone in this forum, and relive it effectively, Trish. But the fact that this eventually, yes, will get worked out as far as we're going to find out what really happened, hopefully. And if there is fire where there's smoke here, the Republicans have to deal with it and move on.
I don't know if you're ever going to find out what really happened. I mean, we're talking 36 years ago, Connell. I mean, that's the most devastating part about this. You know, trying to piece together all the facts after so many years is next to impossible. Connell, your thoughts? And I
just one final point. I would say it could very well be a disaster for Republicans, to Chris Wallace's point, in terms of getting this particular nominee through a Senate that's controlled by the Republicans. So our larger conversation, though, it could be a little bit of a different angle here. What Scott and I are talking about is that from the perspective of financial markets, for it to be a true disaster for Republicans, you'd have to bet that the Republicans are actually going to lose the Senate. And coming into today, you know, people were betting on that as being like a 70% chance, say, that they change the Senate. So you'd need that dynamic to change in the larger picture for, I think, financial markets to become the story. Whereas Chris could be right in the near term in terms of this actual nominee, which is a little bit different.
Bad politically, but not necessarily economically, because for it to be bad economically, you'd actually have to really shift policies and say, hey, we're going to hike taxes. And then we could be looking at a challenging marketplace. Anyway, thanks, guys.